Hiya. Sandy asked me in a Facebook group, recycle, reuse, and the third R, what's the third R? Asked me all about our composting toilet that we've built, our public transport. By the way, it's called Amsterdam. We're calling it Amsterdam because the boy who helped me build it up at the end, I asked him, what's the shittiest cities you've ever been to? And he said Amsterdam. So for him, sorry Amsterdam, that's why. Anyway, back to topic. Sandy asked me more details about our recycling toilet. So I thought I'll put together a small tutorial on how we built our recycled, reused, composting toilet.
When I was a little boy, I liked to catch the rain. While people all around my town
First of all,
right down the drain.
we got wood and doors and pallets that were lying around on the land and in the attic.
Because our little shed in the bush wasn't on the main. The only water we had to use was in a tank or from the rain. Because there's no such thing as waste. Only stuff in the wrong place.
We put them to the place where we'd already pre-dug the terrace. We got doors, we got as walls,
No, there's no such
we've
thing
got
as waste.
old wood pieces,
Misusing water's a disgrace.
walling pieces, wood pieces as the door. The wood we use as a toilet and the toilet seat is used unused wood that I had in the attic.
To the city, rented a house on my way to buy a bed. Saw one lying on the side of the road, so I took that one instead. Also found a Ouija couch and a big old plasma screen, and the biggest pile of thrown out stuff that I had ever seen. But there's no such thing as waste.
Yeah, we took an old toilet seat and used that as a stencil. Now underneath the ship will be collected in a bucket, an old paint bucket, and we'll then store the proceeds that end up in the bucket in the barrel with some worms, and then leave it to rot with the compost, with the wood chips and with the dirt that we mix it in. And then within a year we'll have some shumono, as they say. The important thing is, as like the music you've just heard from Formidable Vegetable in Australia, there's no such thing as waste. So next time you're thinking about, I could use a public toilet really, and you've got some old doors in the attic, why don't you just make a toilet that you can recycle people's shit? There we go then. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something out of it, give us a thumbs up. Maybe you've even got more questions, then ask those questions in the comments. And yeah, if you enjoyed this, you could even subscribe. Most of the videos are in Swiss German, as we are based, Paradischi Drieschta is based in Switzerland. But we love permaculture, we love nature, and we love life. Stay free, stay happy, and stay you, because you're something special. Thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.
Only stuff in the wrong place. Yeah, that's right, there's no such thing as waste. That old landfill is a disgrace. Down the track, I found out that diesel cars can run on veggie fat. Bought a truck and hit the road, smelling like fish and chips. I rescued piles of wasted oil from the back of restaurants. I'd be a fool if I bought my fuel when there's oil nobody wants. 'Cause there's no such thing as waste. Oh no, only stuff in the wrong place. Yeah, I said there's no such thing as waste. That old idea's gotta be replaced. Now we gotta refuse, reuse, reuse, repair, recycle. garbage bins and I compost every crumb. I save my seeds and eat my weeds and feed the leftovers to your mum.